Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Vijayanagaram location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for teachers for English and Social, primary and high school. It is from the Sun School located in Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, they are looking for enthusiastic pre-primary, primary and high school teachers to match their competent workforce. And coming to responsibilities, designing and executing the complete lesson plans that will engage students, organizing learning materials and resources to equip the student with conceptual clarity and lead them towards the application of the subject, participating in the regular training workshops, knowledge sharing in teaching community, maintaining periodical academic records, developing strong one-to-one relationship with students, contributing to a positive and energetic learning environment. So these are the responsibilities needed for this position. You please check with the all detailed information provided here for this position. Interested candidates, you please contact with the given phone number, that is 95539 Next, there is a vacancy for center coordinator position from NIIT Foundation located in Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 to 16,000 rupees per month. You please check with the responsibilities needed for this position provided here, and for detailed information you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9958868205. Next, there are some vacancies available from Building Blocks Group. They are hiring for the positions of sales managers and cashiers. And for these positions, you should be having minimum 5 years of experience and above from real estate, financial service sectors including banking, insurance, chit fund, etc. Salary is dependent on experience, and interested candidates, you can walk into the interviews. It starts from 12th February 2021 to 17th February 2021. Timings will be 9:30 am to 4 pm. So they have provided here the address details. Please check with the address details provided here, and they have also provided here the email id and mobile number. Please go through it once. Next, there are vacancies from Global English Indian School. They are hiring for the positions of KG, primary, middle and secondary teachers and principals. So they are hiring for all these positions. So they are going to provide free accommodation and as well as a salary, so 40k to 80k. So interested candidates, you can apply on before 28th of February 2021. They have provided here the email id. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given email id. Next, there are some vacancies available from the Salvation Army, EB Hospital and College of Nursing, and they are hiring for the nursing staff for their hospital. And for this, the qualification will be MSc Nursing and BSc Nursing, and they are also recruiting for teaching staff for EB College of Nursing and School of Nursing. For this position, the qualification will be MSc Nursing and BSc Nursing. So interested candidates for these positions, you can contact to the given two numbers, or else you can send your resume to the provided email id. The contact numbers are 9745765791, second one 7708851129. Next, Vishwa Bharati School English Medium High School is hiring for the teaching positions for Telugu and Hindi Pandits, electricians and experienced high school teachers for mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, English and social studies. They are hiring for the teaching positions. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview with the original certificates on 14th 15th February 2021 between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at their campus. So they have provided here their address details and contact number and email ID. So interested candidates, you can call to this number, and for any doubts you can clarify with this number. Next, there are vacancies available from the Andhra Sugars Limited, divisions located at Tanuku, Kovur and Sagonda in West Godavari district. They are hiring for the trainee junior chemist position. For this position, the candidate should be first class graduate in science with mathematics, physics and chemistry from the reputed college. And interested candidates, you can apply to this position within 15 days with the recent passport size color photograph and giving complete biodata, and they have provided here the address details. So you can apply for this position through the website given here, that is www.theandhrasugars.com, and they have provided here the email ID. Please check with the information provided here. Next, there are some vacancies for teachers to teach Telugu, English, Maths, Science and Social subjects for primary classes. It is from Saraswati Vidya Niketan, Dharmapudi location, Vijayanagaram. So they have provided here the contact number. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the number, that is 9440336939. Next, there are some vacancies available from Shashi Institute of Technology and Engineering. So they are hiring for the positions of associate professor, assistant professor, lecturers, lab assistants, programmers, fitter, mechanics, carpenter, and junior assistant and record assistant positions. So they are hiring for all these positions. For all these positions, they have provided here the qualification details. Please check with the information provided here, and it's somewhat blurry, so you can check for detailed information in the website here given here. So that is www.sasi.ac.in. so you can check detailed information in the website given here, and you can also ask them with the given phone number, that is 08818275500. so this is the phone number and this is the email ID provided here, and interested candidates, you can walk into the interviews from 9th February 2021 to 14th February 2021 between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in their campus. Next, there is a vacancy for receptionist. It is for female candidates. Experience will be minimum 1 year, and for this the qualification is any degree. Second, there is a job vacancy for computer technician. For this the qualification will be any degree. Bike is must for this position. So it is located in Vijayanagaram location. So they have provided here the two contact numbers. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the phone numbers. First one 91829533940. Second one 9866777381. Next, there are some vacancies available for teachers. For these positions, the qualification will be PG or BEd, and freshers or experienced candidates both can apply for these positions. They have provided here the contact details and the address details. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. First one 9866240948. Second one 7032545561. It is located in Vizianagaram location. Next, there are some vacancies available from New Padmavati English Medium School. They are hiring for the positions of teachers to teach English, Maths for primary classes and English higher classes from this school, and they have provided here the contact number. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 6281455126. Hope this video will help you a lot for finding a job. And if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.